Today I'm going to show you how to make splash effect animation in Canva. Go and open video project. Go to elements and go to shapes. Choose the circle. Change the color to any color you want. Go back to elements and type splash. Click graphics and choose any splash shape you want. And change the color to circle color. Resize it and bring your image and click in the image, animate, and animate it with stamp, and go to the splash shape, animate, and animate it with pop, and click in the splash shape, show timing, and make it appear exactly when the first image finished. And here is the result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.